Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Homax Brand popcorn sealing patch and textured sealing patch. In this house I just bought, it's going to be a rental. I have a bathroom vent fan that is installed in the textured ceiling. I'll show you right here what I'm talking about. I had up there, I had to cut big holes around it to replace that vent fan box, so I could crawl up in there, because the people who flipped this house about 10 years ago just didn't connect the vent, or they didn't connect the exhaust to anything. So the exhaust was blowing nice, warm, wet air up into the attic for 10 years. So anyway, I had to put up a vent fan, or I had to put up a exhaust tube up there, so I had to cut holes around that. And as you can see, I've already patched it with some of the textured sealing patch, and I'll show you why. Not some of the textured sealing patch, some of the popcorn sealing patch, and let me show you why I've chosen the popcorn sealing patch for this job. That would be this container here that you spread on. So basically this is just like some drywall mud with some chunks of sand in it. You can see some of the chunkies here on my finger. Anyway, and this is supposed to be a spray-on thing. So let me show you. So this stuff looks like it's going to work pretty well. I think that patch is going to be visible, but that's just because I didn't try very hard to make it perfect. So on this thing, the instructions say, where are they? Not the French ones. You know, get all the damaged stuff off the ceiling. Let's get some better light over here. Shake the can upside down until the ball rattles and shake it for another minute. Insert the straw into the nozzle and then spray a short burst, and then to clear the nozzle, and then hold it sprays best between that temperature. Hold can vertically approximately 18 to 24 inches from ceiling. Appearance improves when sprayed further away. That is definitely true. So, let me show you a little demonstration of using this product. I've already shaken this can for a good 5 minutes. So, I think you can see my ceiling patch. It is right there. I got a little piece of drywall. I got a piece of drywall screwed with one screw to this ceiling tile here. I've already got some of the sealing patch on there that's already mostly cured. So I'm just going to do a little demonstration of this. So hold it 18 to 24 inches away. The further away, the better the results. I'm inserting I don't want to spray my fingers. Okay. Inserting the straw firmly. Spray. Okay, let's pull out a tape measure here, 18 to 24 inches away. We'll split the difference. That's 18 to 24. Well, that's 6 inches apart. So the half of that would be 3. So I'm going to hold it 21 inches away for perfect coverage, right? Oh, nice. Would you look at that? This is a brand new can. Guys, let me show you something here for the finished product of what I was able to achieve on my very first test run. Wow, look at that amazing texture. Some of those hang down a full inch. Let me show you again really quick. I'll hold it up there so it actually hits. It's spraying even worse this time than it did the first time. But anyway, that's why I went with the popcorn sealing patch and not this. But I guess they weren't lying on the back of the can. The further away, the better the results. So that's my review there. Just make sure you hold it far enough away to not hit the ceiling, and you'll have better results. Thanks for watching.